Hello everyone. Today's lesson will be a bit longer because today we're going to talk about four types of common nouns. And these four types are countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, and abstract nouns. As you can see in this chart, nouns are broadly classified into 9 types: proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete and abstract nouns, material, collective, and compound nouns. Before we start talking about our main topic, let me revise some basic information about nouns, common nouns, and proper nouns. You already know that all the things that we see around us have names. The words that we use as names or naming words are called nouns. A name which we give in general to all persons, places, or things of same kind is a common noun. You also know that a common noun, unless it comes at the beginning of a sentence, always begins with a small letter. A proper noun instead is the specific name of a person, place, thing, or event. And proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. You also know that a noun which refers to one thing or person is said to be the singular number. And when a noun refers to more than one things or persons of the same kind, it is said to be in the plural number. Most nouns, therefore, have both singular and a plural form. In the case of some common nouns, we can clearly mention how many of the same kind of the thing or person we are talking about. For example, 3 cups, 2 men, 30 sheep, 5,000 rupees. Such nouns are called countable nouns. But there are some common nouns which are the names of persons or things that cannot be counted, like water, milk, weather, music, etc. We cannot say, I want 1 milk, or let me have 2 waters. Such nouns are known as uncountable nouns. So, countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. Now, do task 1 and check your understanding about these two nouns. You have to read the sentences and identify whether the underlined nouns are countable or uncountable. The children are playing in the garden. I don't like milk, I prefer tea. My mother uses butter to prepare cake. There are a lot of windows in our classroom. We need some glue to fix this vase. Please give me a glass of water. Now pause the video and do this exercise. Now check if your answers are correct. Children, countable. Milk and tea, uncountable. Butter, uncountable. Windows, countable. Glue, uncountable. And glass, countable. Although uncountable nouns do not have a plural form, we can use some units of measurement or numerical identifiers to refer to the quantity of an uncountable item. For example, we bought 3 liters of milk, 2 loaves of bread, a sachet of shampoo, and 5 kilograms of rice. He asked for a glass of water, 3 cups of coffee, and 2 packets of chips. We normally use adjectives such as little, some, a lot, or much with uncountable nouns. You may take some more time to think over the issue. They are paying little attention to the problem. A lot of hard work is needed to pass this exam. However, both countable and uncountable nouns can either be concrete or abstract. So, Common nouns can be further divided into concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are the names which refer to the things we can see, touch, or feel. Sam is looking at the ladybird. Umar is eating an ice cream. John is holding a cat. Zuhaib is smelling a flower. Abstract nouns are names which refer to the things we cannot taste, touch, or see. These can be names of quality, state, or concept. All the words listed below are the examples of abstract nouns. Action, affection, childhood, choice, cleverness, courage, cruelty, death, difficulty, discovery, friendship, goodness. Height, heroism, honesty, humility. Ignorance, illness, justice, kindness, knowledge, pleasure, protection, punishment, slavery, strength, thought, truthfulness. Now check your understanding about abstract and concrete nouns by doing this task. You have to color the boxes with abstract nouns in green and let concrete nouns be as they are. You may pause the video to do this task. Now look at these solutions and verify your answers. Abstract nouns in this table are advice, anger, beauty, courage, energy, fear, fun, health, help, knowledge, love, luck, magic, music, peace, pity, pride, silence, and weather. And concrete nouns here are coffee, equipment, ice, oil, snow, baggage, cream, food, sugar, dust, tea, bread, earth, furniture, water, coal, and sand. Here you can see how countable and uncountable nouns can be either concrete or abstract. People and desk are concrete and countable. Flour and milk are concrete but uncountable. Promises and thoughts are countable abstracts, and patience and carelessness are uncountable abstracts. Now, by doing this task, you will be checking your understanding about all 4 types of nouns which have been explained in this lesson. Identify countable, uncountable, concrete, and abstract nouns in these sentences. Let's eat some apples. This type of orange is known for its sweetness. The child wants to drink some water. The PM made many promises. They are mixing sand and cement. Apples is a concrete, countable noun. Water, sand, and cement are concrete, uncountable nouns. Promises, abstract, countable noun, and sweetness, abstract, uncountable noun. Let's read together some concrete nouns with their abstract nouns. Sugar, sweetness, knife, sharpness, sea, vastness, tower, height, snake, fear, wrestler, strength, dolphin, intelligence, snow, cold, fire, heat, dog, loyalty. So today we have studied about 4 types of common nouns. Countable nouns which can be counted. Uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, but we use some units of measures or some adjectives to talk about the quantity of uncountable nouns. Concrete nouns which we can see, touch, taste, or smell. And abstract nouns which we cannot see, taste, or touch, but we can feel, hear, think, or imagine them. I have given you 3 tasks to practice these 4 types of nouns. We have also seen how concrete and abstract nouns can either be countable or uncountable. Now copy each slide in your notebook and practice your learning as much as possible. Thank you and goodbye till next lesson.